What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, you know, maybe you don't, but the Roku streaming TV devices are, I think, the best hardware all around. I think on feature set they're some of the best, and then on value they're absolutely amazing. This is the Roku Premier Plus, and I got it certified refurbished. Pick this up on Amazon. You can save yourself 20 bucks. And as you can see, it's the 4K ultra high def Roku Premier. Now, why I got this, hopefully as we unbox it here, I will be able to show you. It looks like we have a Roku Premier instruction book right here. Here's the Premier streaming device itself. Looks like it's wrapped in plastic, and it says B stock on there. And my experience with that little sticker that they put on there, kind of saying what condition is, B meaning, I think, scuffed up a little bit, but we'll see. That little B stock sticker is the hardest piece to come off. But you can see here, maybe, you know, a little scuff there, a little scuff there, little scuff on the back. But otherwise, you know, this piano black finish is in pretty nice shape. We've got the little fabric Roku tag on the bottom. We've got a rubberized bottom here so it doesn't slip. The top looks just fine. And that is the Roku Premier Plus. Now, on this, I think there might be a little white light that kind of lights up a little bit on the front. What we have here is an Ethernet jack. We have a MicroSD card slot and HDMI, which I'm going to use, and then the DC power in here. And then if we open up here, we have two Duracell batteries for the remote, the power cable for the box, and then the remote itself. And this is the part that I'm really excited about. This is why I bought this. Especially if you have a 4K TV, you probably should step up to the 4K UHD devices. But in this case, what I really wanted was this remote, and it comes stock with this device. And you might be saying, why did that matter to you, Panda? Well, if you look at this remote, it looks just like the regular remotes, this Google Play and the TED button. But we also have TV controls here, the volume button right there, and that's most important because right on this side we have the headphone jack. So the great thing about this, and if you look here, it does come with a set of earbuds, which I didn't know or expect it to. So it does come with a set of Roku earbuds. They already have the little purple silicone ear pads on it, and it comes with an extra set. 3.5mm jack, just standard, and it plugs in here, and that's because once you do that, once you plug it in, it will take the audio from what you're watching and run it through the remote. So this is great if you have two people in your household watching TV late at night, one person's trying to sleep, doesn't do anything about the picture, but it can remove that sound and let the person who's watching TV listen to it. Maybe you're just sitting on a couch, and you know, one person's working and the other person's watching TV and listening. Maybe you have your kids watching TV and listening through the remote, so that adults are kind of sitting around and talking without interrupting them. You know, it can be for a lot of different things, but I will tell you what, once you have this, it's almost indispensable. So especially if you have people that like watching TV late at night or while you're working. So check it out. You can buy this remote as a separate accessory for most of the Rokus. I'm not sure exactly what the compatibility is. I think it's the Premier and the Plus or something, but it's like a $30 or $40 remote just by itself. So it's kind of something to keep in mind that, you know, if you're gonna spend $60 or $70 to get the whole kit and caboodle here, then you get the remote included. So I'm about to hook this up, get it set up, and try it out, and really enjoy watching TV without disturbing other people. I'll put a link to it in the description if you want to pick up one of these Roku Premier Pluses from Amazon too. And if you want to save yourself a couple bucks and get it refurbished like I did, I think, you know, it's a pretty good value. Peter Von Panda out.